Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration.
Embracing tranquility, creating comfortable and cozy spaces with minimalist house design and tropical gardens. In the realm of architectural beauty, the fusion of minimalist house design and the serenity of a tropical garden brings forth an unparalleled sense of tranquility. Architectural innovation has embraced the ethos of simplicity, where less is undeniably more. Renowned architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe once remarked, "Less is more," encapsulating the essence of minimalist design principles. The essence of minimalist elegance. Envision a space where clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a harmonious blend of natural elements converge. The hallmark of minimalist house design lies in its ability to strip away the unnecessary, leaving behind only what is essential for functionality and beauty. With an emphasis on open spaces, neutral color palettes, and strategic lighting, these homes breathe a sense of airiness and calmness. Tropical gardens, nature's complementary palette. Tropical gardens play an integral role in complementing the simplicity of minimalist architecture. The lush greenery, vibrant foliage, and carefully curated landscaping inject life into the clean lines of the structure. As landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx once stated, "The garden is a love song, a duet between a human being and nature." It's this harmony that brings about a sense of peace and connection to the outdoors. Purposeful elements and comfortable living. Every element within a minimalist home is meticulously chosen, serving a purpose while maintaining a sense of visual appeal. As architect John Pawson puts it, simplicity doesn't change over time, it doesn't date or go out of style. Seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. The interplay between indoor and outdoor spaces is a defining feature of minimalist homes with tropical gardens. Large windows, sliding doors, and strategic architectural elements seamlessly blend interior comfort with the natural beauty of the outdoors. This synergy creates a fluidity of space, allowing residents to experience the soothing embrace of nature from within the confines of their homes. Mindfulness and intentional living. The design ethos extends beyond aesthetics. It promotes a lifestyle centered on mindfulness and intentional living. Minimalist homes encourage residents to declutter their minds as much as their physical spaces. Architectural pioneer Frank Lloyd Wright once said, "Space is the breath of art," emphasizing the importance of spatial design in fostering a sense of calmness and serenity. Sanctuaries of simplicity. In the pursuit of creating spaces that resonate with tranquility and comfort, the marriage between minimalist house design and tropical gardens stands as an epitome of architectural finesse. These homes are not merely structures but sanctuaries that harmonize with nature, embodying the profound simplicity that elevates the human experience. As the world embraces the allure of minimalist living coupled with the richness of tropical landscapes, these homes serve as a testament to the beauty of simplicity in an increasingly complex world.